Clean around sensitive or valuable items by isolating the area and using targeted, gentle techniques that prevent contact and damage. Begin by surveying the space and asking the client about any particularly fragile objects and their preferences for handling them. Use soft microfiber cloths and low suction vacuum attachments to remove dust without touching surfaces directly. Move only items that the client has explicitly given you permission to move, and if you must nudge a light object, rest it on a padded tray or towel to avoid direct contact with hard hands or tools. For dust in tight areas, use a soft artist brush or compressed air held at a distance to dislodge particles, then capture them with the vacuum on a low setting using a fine brush attachment. When cleaning near textiles or papers, work outward from the cleanest area toward the edge to avoid dragging dirt across surfaces. Keep a small kit with extra padding, cotton gloves, and labeled storage boxes so you can quickly protect or temporarily relocate valuables when the client approves. A common mistake is assuming small movement is harmless, which can cause chips or hidden stress on seams, so do not move fragile items unless the client tells you it is okay, and use padding whenever you must. People often use harsh cleaning chemicals that can dull finishes or harm gilding, so test a tiny inconspicuous spot first, and prefer pH-neutral or water-based cleaners applied to the cloth, not the object. Another frequent issue is inadequate lighting, which leads to missed spots and accidental contact. So position portable lamps to improve visibility without having to handle objects more than necessary. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for projects that may include careful cleanup and delicate handling of valuables. And we offer resources to guide conversations with those contractors. We also help contractors find work and exchange best practices through our active discussion community, where members share tips and experiences.